Meanwhile, a very contentious project is taking shape in the Horn of Africa. Ethiopia has decided to generate power from the very controversial Renaissance Dam situated on the Nile River. And tensions are simmering with its neighboring nations for almost over a decade now. The power generation through the Renaissance Dam has not been officially announced, but the Ethiopian government sources have confirmed this development. The $4.2 billion project is expected to produce almost about 5,000 megawatts of electricity, which will increase Ethiopia's power generation by more than twice the current output. The reservoir's total capacity is said to be 74 billion cubic meters, and last year, Ethiopia claimed that it has added enough water to begin producing energy. This will make the Grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam the largest hydroelectric power station in Africa and possibly be the road to economic recovery for Ethiopia. But this road is filled with a lot of obstacles. The Nile is the world's longest river, and it is a crucial supplier of water and hydropower for quite a few countries in the northern and eastern part of Africa. Ethiopia shares the Nile River with nearly about 9 countries such as Burundi, Congo, Kenya, Rwanda and Uganda. However, the impact of this dam, the Renaissance Dam, is most intensely likely to be felt in Egypt and Sudan. Egypt depends on the Nile for almost about 97% of its irrigation and drinking water, and is very concerned that this Renaissance Dam could deprive Egypt the access to its most important source of water. A 1959 water treaty had boosted Egypt's allocation to almost about 66%, while Sudan was allocated with 22% of the Nile's water. Sudan fears that its own dams could be harmed if the Renaissance Dam goes ahead without any further agreements, but hopes that the project will regulate the annual flooding that it sometimes experiences. The talks sponsored by the African Union have failed to yield any agreement so far between Ethiopia, Egypt and Sudan. Last year, the United Nations Security Council also adopted a statement encouraging the 3 big nations to resume negotiations. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.